Hello everyone, it's time for the textual part of a literature reader, New Broadway. The chapter is Bro Tiger Goes Dad. Question number 1 from the part understand. Bro Tiger lies down in his bed and is still and stiff. What is he pretending to be? Why does he want to be put on this act? The answer is he is pretending to be dead because he knows Anansi will want to see him closely, believing him to be dead, at which point Tiger will grab him and kill him. So Tiger was having some previous grudge with Anansi. That's why he wanted to kill him. Question number 2. Why does Tiger get his wife to make so much noise? What four words does the writer use to describe the noise Mrs. Tiger makes? The answer is Tiger gets his wife to make a lot of noise because he wants her to convince everybody that her husband Tiger is dead. The writer uses the words bawl, cry, wail and holler to describe the sound Mrs. Tiger makes. Question number 3. When Mrs. Tiger makes a lot of noise, everyone in the village except Anansi turns up at Tiger's house. True or false? It is true because Anansi is aware that Tiger is pretending and he is not dead. That's why he has not arrived at Mrs. Tiger's house. Question number 4. What does Anansi do that shows he is very clever? He uses Tiger's pride against him and tricks him into revealing the truth. He says no good man can die without shuddering and crying out. Actually, Anansi was very well aware about that Tiger is not dead. He is pretending. But for that, he wanted to accept this truth by the tiger's mouth only. That's why he played this trick on Tiger. Question number 5. What does Tiger do that show he is very stupid? The tiger allows Anansi to use his pride against him and tricked into revealing the truth. He roars loudly, thus revealing the fact that he isn't dead. So if anybody is dead, then how can he make any kind of sound? But Anansi's trick forced him to roar loudly and the truth is revealed and it is proved that Tiger is stupid and Anansi is clever. Question number 6. When the trick is discovered, how do the villagers feel about Tiger? The answer is the villagers feel angry and indignant at Tiger's treachery. Indignant when you are showing or feeling anger and treachery means when you are ditching someone. Means dhokha dena. Question number 7 from the part info. Tiger wants to crack up Anansi's bone, collar him up and finish him. What does this tell you about his mood? What do you think he hates Anansi so much? The answer is he is angry and looking for revenge. So the possible answer of this question could be Anansi had obviously done something that made Tiger very angry. Because in this chapter it is not revealed that which kind of enmity they both were carrying with them, but maybe it is possible that Anansi must have done something wrong. That's why Tiger was carrying a angry feeling for him. So the answer may vary. If you need or think that there could be another reason for this answer, you can write. Question number 8. Do you think Bro Tiger will give up trying to trap and hurt Anansi? The answer is yes. I think Bro Tiger may stop trying to look for ways to trap and harm Anansi as his actions have upset all the villagers and he knows that they don't look upon him favorably anymore. Now the tiger knows that all the villagers have already been familiar about the plans that tiger has made against NNC and he has been proved wrong. So in future if tiger will keep on making plans against NNC then all the villagers must have carry a kind of hatred feeling for tiger. So bro tiger will give up trying to trap NNC in the future. Question number 9. How would you write quick, quick and sudden, sudden in standard English? In standard English, it is going to be written as quickly and suddenly. Question number 10 from the part reflect. We read how NNC foiled Bro Tiger's plan. What would you have done if you were in NNC's place? How would you have exposed Bro Tiger's plan to all the other animals? The answer is, if I was in Nancy's place, I would also try to foil Bro Tiger's plan. I would have done something to provoke him to wake up, and then all the villagers would have seen that Bro Tiger was just acting. Provoke is called when you stimulate someone to arouse anger. So exactly NNC did. He said these type of words that forced Bro Tigers to roar loudly, and as if no dead person could speak, so everybody understood that Bro Tiger was just acting. Question number 1 from the part extension. Study the sentences given below. All of them contain the word that. Find the right meaning in each sentences from the list of meaning in this box. I have numbered all the sentences given in the question so that it will be easy for you to find out the answers. Now let's see the sentences whose meaning we have to find out from these sentences. First is Latin is a dead language. Its meaning, number 5, one that is no longer spoken. Next is suddenly the phone went dead. It's number 1, not working because of lack of power. Next sentence is my father's left arm had gone dead by the time I reached him. Its meaning is number 6, unable to feel because of cold. And next sentence is poor Mr. Ezekiel. He dropped dead last night. It means died suddenly, number 2. And the last sentence is Sushil crept out of bed in the dead of night and tiptoed over to the window. Means this sentence means in the quietest part of the night. Last question from the textual part of this chapter. Imagine Nancy's son Takuma is a young reporter who works for the local TV station. Having been present when his father exposed Tiger as a cheat, he wants to present an account of the event on TV. Prepare a short report that Takuma can present on TV. The answer is Takuma introduces himself, then Takuma reports on how the situation unfolded, and then Takuma presents a question to the viewers. How do they view this situation? With this, we have completed the textual part of this chapter. That's it for now. We'll meet again.